So, the chorus is, what is your animal noise? I want to know. It's very simple. What is your animal noise? I want to know. Now, to challenge us to set the scene, we need some animal noises. I know, it's so scary. Children are much better at this. So, yes! Ah! Yeah! Are there more? Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Come on. Let's get them to kick us out. I was sleeping as I entered the forest. I don't know if I was grounded or soaring. Tried to call and cawing and howling, but the sound I made wasn't mine. But the sound I made wasn't mine. But the sound I made wasn't mine. What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? I wanna know. Shadows of the night, I am searching through the trees and streams. I am running. Will I find the wings I've lost in living? Wild heart, show me mine. Wild heart, show me mine. Wild heart, show me mine. What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? I wanna know. Got it? You can do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Very good. What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? I wanna know. What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? What is your animal noise? Will you please come to every show? That was great. That was great.